Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am showing you guys my steps into taking my everyday makeup routine and turning it into a nighttime look. If you guys want to see how I turn my everyday routine into this, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and let's get on into the video. Okay, so I am going out tonight and I wanted to show you guys how I would transform my makeup from my everyday makeup to my nighttime going out makeup with the same base, and so I don't have to take off all my makeup and waste my product and time to re-put everything back on. So yeah, I mean, as you can see, there's definitely some wear and tear from throughout the day. It's really hot here. It's like 100 degrees right now, which is actually like kind of cool for Arizona summer. Like normally it's like 115 around this time, so it's definitely nice that it's not that warm right now. But my face, as you can see, it's pretty oily compared to when you would have like a fresh face done. So we're just gonna do some touch-ups. I'll take you through that process, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna transform my eye look into a legit going out eye look and something that you can wear on a night out just from having a plain eye and mascara. So let's get right on into it. Okay, because I just can't, like, I kind of want to have a more picked up base, I'm gonna go into the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter translucent powder. This is in the shade Butter, and I'm gonna take my Morphe Y11 brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of set my face with powder just to absorb any oil that was already on my face, and that should help a lot, and that'll help bring back the highlight just to the parts of my face where I had put highlight earlier. This little trail right here, my skin has actually been doing better. This just little trail has been giving me a hard time, and I think honestly it's because of the water change that I've had, switching from Oregon water down to Arizona water. Yeah, because I have been eating really healthy, drinking a lot of water, working out. It also might be just like I'm sweating here more often than like I would be at home, but I've been using my Penoxyl face wash and the pimple patches, but last night I didn't put any pimple patches on because I just kind of wanted to let my face breathe and recover for the night, so I let it be. But I've been really liking them so far. As you can see, like, my face is kind of starting to look a bit more balanced out now. It's starting to look a bit more fresh. Okay, now that's done, I'm gonna move into my eyes because that's probably going to be the main focus of the night, is going to be my lashes, and I'm going to go for like a more neutral pinky lipped tone lip combo. So for my eyes, I'm going to start with my trusty P. Louise base in Rumor 2. You guys know the deal. I'm going to do this side on camera and this side off camera. That way you guys don't have to sit through both. I'm all moved into my college apartment now. I just cannot find a rug that I like for the life of me in the area, and I've resorted to doing a little bit of online shopping. I just really like to be able to like actually feel it in person before buying it, just because I don't want to have to go through the whole process of like getting it shipped and having it be delivered at the mailroom, having to carry it all the way up to my place, and to find out that I like don't like the fabric or something, and then have to deal with the whole process of shipping it back. That just does not sound very fun to me. Okay, so now that I have applied that base, it's giving my eyes a chance to absorb the product that I'm going to put on. I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I'm going to kind of use these shades on the top row here to create kind of a more pinky look. And then I'm going to use a Morphe X Ariel blending brush. I literally have been in love with this brush set. It's so good. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. So I'm just gonna dive into Love Handles, and it's gonna have more of a like peachy pink undertone, and I'm just gonna use that as my first blending shade on my lid. And I'm not really super worried about my mascara since I am gonna pop on some lashes tonight, so I'm just gonna kind of blend my eye makeup like I would normally. Then I'm just gonna kind of keep blending it out until I'm comfortable with how it looks. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of a more flattened blending brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade Comfort Zone, which is a little bit darker than Love Handles, and I'm just gonna blend that in on my outer corner. See what I mean? It kind of darkens up that look. Then I'm going to grab a flat packing brush, and I'm going to go into Certified, which is that white shade, and I'm just going to apply white in the corner on this side. And it's just gonna help to like brighten up the eye look. Then I'm gonna take another packing brush and I'm gonna take Rider Diamonds. I'm gonna spray my brush with some setting spray just so that it really picks up the product. And I'm just gonna go into Rider Diamonds. And I'm just gonna run that along where I put that white shade. So that's basically what I'm gonna do for this eye. And then I'm gonna do some winged eyeliner. So let me go grab my eyeliner. I kind of just threw all my makeup into this cart. So we're still kind of trying to find things. Okay, so then I have a wing on. Let me be right back. I'm gonna do the other side off camera, and then I'm gonna do my lashes for you, and then my lower eye and my lips, and then that is a transformed look. So I will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead into the other eye off camera, cleaned up the liner a bit. I don't know why, but today I was having a bit of trouble with my liner. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the lower eyes and then the lips, and then I'll give you some tips on how I just kind of help my makeup stay throughout the day. Let's go for eyelashes. What lash? I want to wear something light because it is super hot here. So the last thing I want is to be like sweating a ton and have like super heavy lashes. Sinful by Velour is always an option. I'm gonna wear my House of Lashes in Iconic Light. So to glue on my lashes, I'm gonna use the Velour Lash and Go. This is literally such a holy grail product. You guys can literally see how easy this is. But I just take the Lash and Go liner. I usually just do my liner on my own, that way I have a good outline, and I'll just run over exactly where I put the main line. Then I'll give it a second to dry, and then I'll do another layer, and then I will take the lash that I'm gonna apply. Then I'm gonna take my Velour tweezers and just push it on. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye and then pop them on. And look at how easy that was. Literally, you just apply it on your eye. That way you don't have to wait for the glue to get like tacky on your lash and then deal with the whole thing. Like, it's just so easy. And then that way also the lash will only glue on right on your lash line because that's where you put the eyeliner. Like, I can't even like stress at how easy it is. It's just so chill. Okay, so I'm gonna let that, you know, dry for a sec, and then I'm gonna push them together and make him look a bit more voila. Let's do a little bit of the under eye. So I'm just gonna grab a little lower lash line brush. I'm gonna go into Love Handles, and I'm just gonna run that along the corner of my lower lash line. Then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Then I'm gonna go into Certified, which is that white shade, and I'm gonna go into the inner corner with that. That way it'll help just kind of like open up my eyes and make my eyes seem brighter and more like welcoming, I guess, like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and run again mascara on my lower lash line. That way it kind of pops again. I'm gonna use Iconic London Triple Threat Mascara. It kind of is nice because it has a really thin wand. Thankfully, I take my blush very seriously and I know how to make my blush last throughout the day. I make sure to apply a cream blush and then a powder blush on top, and that just always helps it stay really well throughout the day. So I'm not super worried about having to reapply my blush and my highlight. My contour is something, or my bronzer is something that I will kind of reapply though, but like very sparingly. And that's just kind of like properly warm up the face again, revive any like patchy, miskept areas. And then if you want to rush over or run over your blush, you definitely can. The blush I used today was from Hourglass. This was the powder blush that I used for the day. And you can just very lightly kind of tap on your cheeks and on your nose. For my lips, because I do want more of a pinky toned lip liner, I'm gonna go into Kylie Cosmetics in Coco K. And I swear if your lips are done, you're just gonna look so much more put together. I have Get Into It from Doja stuck in my head right now. So like as I was doing my lips, I had just like, but get into it, yeah. Pop out in a truck, get into it, yeah, like stuck in my head. I'm not mad about it though because it is a great song. So to finish off my lips, I'm gonna use the Coco K Matte Liquid Lip. This is a super old lipstick, but it's a Too Faced lipstick in the shade Strip Search. And it's just kind of like a pinky toned lipstick. I don't really like just wearing matte lipped, so I'll do like a matte lip and a lipstick on top, or a matte lip and a gloss on top, because it kind of just helps it stay longer. I can't tell if that's too pink, you know? Like, is it too much of the same color? I'm used to having like a lip liner that's a bit darker. I want a darker lip liner. I will be right back. I'm gonna go wipe this off. Okay, I like this better. I used MAC Cosmetics lip liner in Soar. I know I use it all the time. And I used Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip gloss. I don't know, I feel like this is more, I felt like the other one matched my skin tone a little too much, like got a little too close to it, like, so it just all looked one. I like having it where something is different. Anyway, I'm liking how this is looking. This is great. We did some touch-ups and some fun stuff, so I'm gonna really quickly spray my face with setting spray, and I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Air Flash setting spray just to help everything I did to lock it in place. And then I'm gonna grab my fan. And then that's it, and now I look ready to go for a night out. What do you guys think? Obviously, I'm gonna do an outfit change considering that I'm literally in sweatpants and a blazer shirt, touch up and everything from every day to a night routine. And I definitely feel confident and happy wearing this out tonight. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye, beauties.